Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bree. That was the lamest fucking intro I've ever heard. I have like zero energy right now. I just got home from the gym. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Bree. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you're not, welcome back. Today I kind of wanted to show you guys how I use moringa oil in my hair and on my skin. I should not be touching my hands, or I should not be touching my face with my hands right now because I just got home from the gym. So, my cat. Let's just get started in the video. So this is the moringa oil that I use. I hope it's focused. This is from Amir Cosmetics. I really like it. At first I was kind of turned off about it because honestly, look at this shit. This shit is yellow and it's kind of like chunky and kind of weird looking. Definitely a turn off if you don't like know much about moringa oil. Just a little quick tip from Bree. How do you know moringa oil is like organic, pure? Normally it's cold pressed, and when it's cold pressed, that is the purest form of how you can get moringa oil. When moringa oil is organic and pure, it can go in different states. That really does make sense, but that's the best I'm gonna get it right now. So when it's cold, it's gonna turn into more a solid, it's gonna solidify, and then when it's warmed up, it you know, liquefies again, just like bacon fat. I'm gonna wash my hair finally tonight. So what I'm going to do is take my hair down and just yeah, oh god. So I have curly hair, and it gets really dry, especially during the colder months. So what I'm going to do before I actually shower is I'm going to drop this all like in my scalp, like massage it in before I go in the shower and like shampoo and condition and all of that. Let's just put it in my hair. I dropped it on my face. I'm just gonna put a little bit more on my hands, and I'm going to just apply this to the ends of my hair so that can get a little bit moisturized before I shampoo. I'm going to put my hair up just like in a bun for 30 minutes or however long before I shower. I'm gonna go eat some dinner and then I will be right back. I just wanted to jump back on here really quickly because I'm about to put on the moringa oil. See, it's kind of like, I'm not even sure you can tell, hold on. It's kind of, I don't even know, can you see? Sorry, I keep looking at the the viewfinder. Is that what it's called? I keep not looking into the camera. Okay, so I'm gonna drop it on this side. If you can see the white little dots in there. And another thing is this actually smells pretty earthy. Like it smells kind of like honestly it's very off-putting at first, but how it makes my skin and my hair feel, it's so good. And honestly the smell goes away pretty fast. It goes away after I would say 10 minutes. So we're gonna move on to my hair now. I'm not gonna use too much of the oil this time because I already put it at the beginning, like before I washed my hair. So I'm really just going to leave this to finish off my hair. Now I'm gonna finish off my hair with the moringa oil, and I'm just gonna put a few dots into my hand, warm it up with my fingers, and pretty much just put it on the ends of my hair. That's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. Give this video a like if you learned something about moringa oil, or give this video a like if you enjoyed hanging out with me today, or if you just, I don't know, liked the video. Anyway, guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I'm a lot more active on there. Anyways, I'll see you next time. Bye. I don't know if you noticed, but at mid video I was a little bit high, so that's why I stopped talking. Anyways, I'm about to go to sleep. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.